Pressure testing gas lines for leaks is critical. Here's exactly why flare connection failures in copper tubing happen and how to prevent them. When you pressure test gas lines, start by cutting copper tubing square with a dedicated tubing cutter and deburr both the inside and outside of the cut. Any burr or uneven edge will prevent the flare from seating and create a leak path. Use the correct tubing size and wall thickness for the flare fitting specified by the manufacturer, because using thin wall or slightly undersized tube makes the flare dome collapse under torque. Form the flare with a quality flaring tool that matches the flare angle required. Most domestic fittings use a 30-degree or 45-degree flare, so confirm the spec before flaring. When forming the flare, clamp the tube squarely and stop at the correct protrusion length, so the flare has the proper cone height. Too little protrusion will leave a gap. Too much will harden and crack the flare. Before assembly, inspect the flare surface for hairline cracks or work hardening. If you see a bluing or granular appearance, cut back to a fresh section and reflare. Use the correct thread engagement and torque value on the flare nut. Hand start, then use a calibrated torque wrench or torque limiting tool to reach manufacturer torque. Over-tightening can split the flare or score the fitting, under-tightening leaves it loose. Protect the flare surfaces from contamination. Oil, lacquer, paint, or debris can prevent sealing, so clean with a lint-free cloth and, for propane or natural gas, avoid pipe thread sealants on the flare face itself. Only use approved thread compounds on pipe threads away from the flare seat. Finally, after assembly, perform a deadman pressure test at the specified test pressure and duration for the gas type, and inspect with a liquid leak detector or soapy solution while monitoring for pressure drop using a calibrated gauge. If pressure holds and no bubbles appear, the flare is sound. One of the biggest mistakes is poor tubing preparation causing flare leaks. Keywords like flare connection leak, copper tubing flare leak, and improper flaring show up in searches. Fix this by square cutting, deburring, and reflaring until a smooth concentric cone forms. One of the next common issues is incorrect flare angle or tool mismatch, causing gas line leaks and flare fitting failure. Search intent often uses terms such as flare tool mismatch and wrong flare angle. Solve it by matching the tool to the fitting spec and using a go-no-go gauge or test coupling to verify the angle. One of the other frequent problems is improper tightening and damaged flare fittings, leading to LP propane leaks and natural gas flare failures. Search queries include under-tightened flare nut and over-tightened flare nut. Correct by using proper torque values, replacing any nicked or hardened fittings, and avoiding thread sealants on the flare seating surface. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors and detailed how-to entries related to pressure testing and gas line safety, making it easier for homeowners to find qualified help for flare connections. Contractors get exposure to local leads and homeowners get vetted professionals, so both sides avoid installation errors and future leaks.